Mic check. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, good evening. Welcome to another episode of The Daily Grind kung saan we talk about the stock market daily. Kamustahin natin yung mga trades nyo, and we are here to guide you if ever kakasimula pa lang. Yun pa lang. So if ever you're still a newbie in trading in the stock market or even in investing in the stock market, this is the right program for you. Tama yung pinapanood nyo. Right, this evening, CLI, update tayo. CLI, sorry, not really sure why it's like this right now. Pero, somehow, display capture, we should be capturing this one. Nope, not this one. My other monitor. I don't know what happened right there, but yeah, CLI defies expectations. Right, very bullish before the ex-dividend date. I was expecting for it to drop 100% even. I mean, not 100%, pero magkakalahati dapat. But instead, what happened was no one wanted to sell it. Right? No one wanted to sell their stocks. They went in for long term. And opening right there, it opened at 3.8, which was crazy, right? That sobrang lakas ng gap up. There's someone who wanted to buy CLI that they're willing to pay 16.26% way up there. Walang gusto magbenta, right? Siguro I would say I understand because CLI is a very good company. I've been recommending CLI way back before pa. I told you guys it's a very strong company, and there it is. CLI today closed 22%, even went as high as went as high as 36% before dropping. That's how bullish this stock is right now. So congratulations sa mga pumasok kay CLI. Nakakuha pa kayo ng more stocks, man. Right. So update lang today's episode is gonna be quite short. We are gonna be ending at around 8:30 kasi magsisimula tayo ng live din sa Facebook page ko about the other bot that we are gonna be sharing to you guys. So hopefully you're excited about that. Also, let's go to the comments really quick. Magandang gabi po sa inyo dyan. John Abelgas, thank you for tagging your friends. Lawrence Tormes, good evening Sir Lloyd, good God bless po. Tagmandong, good evening Sir Lloyd. Mac and M Wide, let's check it out. Sige, bilisan natin to. Right. Macro Asia. Update muna tayo sa PSEi, man. PSEi, another green day for the market right now. We are though negative 58 million sa net foreign selling. Pero okay lang yan. Negative 58 million is okay. About time na take profits na kasi talaga dapat ngayon, 'di ba? So that's understandable. Alright, let's go for Let's go to para sa Spotify. Alright, let's go to yan. Macro Asia. I've been recommending Macro Asia right here. Let me load my chart layout really quick, okay? Load. Jong, kumusta? Ngayon kailan nakapanood ulit. Ay, ilang gabi rin kita na hindi na nabantayan. Alright, Macro Asia is doing a pullback and medyo problema ko kay Mac, actually nakalipad na. I told you guys kay Macro Asia before, bodegahin nyo na. Even at this support, bodegahin nyo na to these levels. Because it might go up anytime soon. At lumipad na nga. Ngayon, masyado mataas na si Mac. I will say that's a sell, man. I don't recommend buying Mac anymore. Nakalipad na po siya. Let's wait for the next stabilization. Let's see what will happen after. Medyo mataas na yung akyat niya. Same with M-Wide. Though M-Wide, meron tayong magandang ito rin, isa. Sabi ko sa inyo, budagahin nyo na ito eh. We have a good trend line right here. Still touching the upper Bollinger Bands. We're not at oversold levels just yet. Okay pa naman yung momentum niya. So, it's doing a pullback. That's understandable. Follow the trend line lang for MY. Laura Napa, good evening. Alfredo, Good evening, Cristo. Good evening. Ishi Marimat, magandang gabi. Sir, pakicheck naman po si Ever, BDO, and M-Wide. Ever, masyado mataas na to si Ever. Nagdo-doji na, so they're selling it already. Medyo bearish signals na. So, I would say, sell your Ever already. It's not a buy anymore at this point. BDO and M-Wide, si BDO, noon pa yung buy niya. Right? We already told you kung mag-breakout si BDO, buy na. This was the buy of BDO already. We're hitting secondary resistances already, so it's gonna be very hard for you to trade this at this point. I will not recommend that anymore. Masyado mataas na si BDO. M-Wide, we talked about M-Wide already. Express Sanyagan, good evening Sir Lord. Buy na ba si PHA and MRC? Problema ko yung PHA, nakalipad kasi ito galing. So medyo may kamahalan si PHA. But, major support right here. It did confirm that support right there. And nasa support levels tayo ngayon. Medyo bearish lang talaga yung pinapakita niya. So, it's gonna be very hard to tell. So, if you wanna trade this out, the next green niya is gonna be very good time to buy. It's a good time to buy, not very good. Good time to buy, strict trading po. If ever hindi mag-sustain yung support, then cut your losses. Simple as that. That's for PHA. Then MRC. Alright. MRC, support levels are right here. So, abangan nyo po sa support din. Right? And also, trading din po yan ha. Actually, okay na siya. Mukhang okay na. So, pag sa susunod na green, that's gonna be a buy for you, man. MRC, yes. Pag nag-green yan, pag nag-confirm na support yan, yes, do buy that. Very low risk right now. Solid support right there. What else could you ask for? Ang ganda na signals. Even RSI is telling us na okay na siya. Let me try to... Ayaw mag-adjust nung tawag na to? Ng chart. Anyways. Kenneth Cheng, JFC po, Sir Lloyd. JFC masyado mataas na rin. Can't recommend that anymore. Though nag-breakout siya right there. Man, let it pull back. Let it pull back. Let's see anong gagawin niya sa pullbacks. We're already at RSI levels up the top. Though it's still bullish, man. But where are we? Nung nasa baba. Right? Dapat nasa baba kayo lagi pumapasok. Right? Masyado mataas na po yan. Next was the breakout right there. Sustaining at the support levels. Sobrang ganda na signal na yan. Ngayon, masyado mataas na. Cannot recommend that anymore. Way up there. So, it's gonna be very reckless going in up there. Ay, yun. Medyo malakas yung selling ha. Let's see. Next na buy natin should be the support. Tignan natin anong gagawin ni Medyo malakas yung sell-off ni Bangan muna natin. Carla Abay, good evening. Franz Kivillas, good evening po sir. Good evening po Franz. Andrew Torres, Team Seller watching from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Magandang gabi sa inyo dyan. Jong, magandang gabi ulit. Ann Partida, good evening. Hello sir, MPI po. Please, let's check out MPI. Alright, MPI's hitting resistances right here. Did attempt to break out before, pero hindi nag-sustain. Pag nag-break out to, that's gonna be your next entry point for MPI. Daniel Melchor, Or. Sobrang ganda rin ito. Ang daming projects ni Or. Look at that ME20 bounce. That could be the bounce already. That's a previous resistance right there. Actually, okay na to. Buy nyo na to. There is a secondary resistance right here. But then again, on the short-term resistance, you're looking at that. That's a buy for me, I would say. Pero, kunti ingat kay Or ha. We're already at top levels and may malakas na resistance kay Or. MPI Or. Haji, good evening Sir El. Good evening po. Andrew Torres, sir? Haji Barola, right? Andrew Torres, pa-check naman po si Asen and Tech. Si Asen, man, already, dati pa yung buy signal niya eh. We talked about Asen right here. Sabi ko sa'yo, pasukin nyo pag nag-breakout. Then there it is, nag-breakout, nang sustain yung breakout. So, all the way up there, we are already gonna be hitting, I think mataas pa na may upside niya, but always wise to wait for the pullback and bounce. Actually, nakalipad na yan si Asen. So, medyo mahirap na i-trade yan. So, pa-check si Primex. Bilisan na natin to ha. Okay. Primex. Still bearish signals for me, man. I think tapos na to. I think Marmex is gonna be dropping anytime soon. International market. Yan. Si eToro natin, we are up $259 sa trading account natin. So if ever hindi pa kayo nagka-copy trade, you can copy trade me here. So far so good. Stats natin for 2021, we're already up 17.75%. I'm targeting around 20%, pero hopefully it gives us the 20%. But we're already up 4.30% for June. Drawdown natin is negative 1.28, 1.21 for April and May. So, basically, you do the math. Check out the drawdown compared to your possible earnings. So that's how you know if the trade is good. Basically, we're risking 1.28% for a possible return na ganito. So, I invite you guys to copy trade me if ever hindi pa kayo nagka-copy trade. Alright? Yep. And yung bot natin, right? EA bot, right? Just wanna plug that. Yung trend follower bot natin. Hopefully, nakapag-join na kayo sa EA bot natin. Sobrang dami na ng mga so far, ganda naman ng mga trades, right? Sobrang dami na to take advantage of it. Hopefully, you are planning to take advantage of it also, especially right now na may promo si XM na double your investment. So pag naglagay kayo ng $200, XM is gonna give you another $200 to trade. So that buffs your buying power, and the returns will be better, di ba? So take advantage of it. Libre lang po yung bot natin, right? Libre lang po yung trend follower. Ang kailangan nyo lang bayaran is the VPS. Basically, yung PC na magraran ng bot. Monthly lang po yan, 500. Pero compared to what you're gonna be getting, and sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng trade-off. Anyways, let's go back to 8:30 sa Financial Freedom 101 at Billionaires Club. Magla-live ako about yung isang bot naman. Yung trend follower bot natin, it's already been doing great for us, especially in the short term na mga trades. But yun kasi, naghahanap ako ng my practice kasi when it comes to trading and investing is yung kita ko sa trading, nilalagay ko sa investing ng mga stocks ko. So, eto naman is gonna be your option. So, yung at least yung mga kitaan ninyo sa trend follower na bot natin, right? Because I know you're already earning if you're already there. So, this one, lagay nyo po sa kabila na bot, right? So, pwede pong ganun, right? So, abangan nyo po mamaya 8:30. Let's check out Primex. Let me show the screen. ASEN and Tech. Tapos na ba tayo Tech? Tapos na. Primex. Good evening, sir. CLI. Is it good time to buy? Actually, no. Masyadong mahal na CLI. Right? I thought it was gonna drop even. I will not recommend CLI anymore. Though there's a chance that it will go back up. Right now, who are looking into CLI? Yung mga investors. Mga investors right now they love CLI. Even me, I've been recommending CLI way back before. Pero investors na. I don't like kasi pag bumaba yan, okay lang sa mga investors. Actually, ang dami nga bumibili kahit na alam natin na babagsak dapat yun. It's umakyat pa ngayon, di ba? So, very good for investors. If you don't plan to go investing kay CLI, wag na lang muna. Next time na lang. Bababa rin naman yan. Okay, mainggit. Right? RCI and ANI po. Let's check out RCI. Time check at 8:15. RCI starting to look up already. Next green is gonna be a buy for RCI. Technical analysis na lang to, guys. Please do your part also in the fundamentals. As much as possible, I wanna tackle technical analysis na lang dito sa daily guide. RCI, ANI, right? ANI. That's a buy for me, for ANI. Already broke the MA20 right there. There's a green. Good find. Volume starting to kick up already for ANI. I would say buy, man. Buy ANI. If there's something I want to recommend today sa mga stocks na tinignan natin, ANI, that's a buy. RCI and ANI, galing, Leo Rania. Good find right there. Arnel Ignacio Jacinto. Arnel Ignacio tuloy. Sorry. Arnel Banyaga Jacinto. Why did Ignacio come up in my mind? Siguro dahil sa Banyaga. May G kasi. Yun ng mata ko. Anyways. Oil, sir. Actually, mataas na si oil right? But anyways, let's check out pro charts. Let's check out oil. Yun nga, masyado mataas na si oil. Alright, if I could say, I will want oil to drop first. It's kind of expensive right now, si oil, right? I don't want you to look into trading it anymore. Actually, it's already showing bearish signal. So anytime soon, pag na-reverse head and shoulder yan, pwede na short yan. So it's already too high, si oil. Ruel De Careza, good evening, sir. DDMPR, sir. Thank you. Alright, let's check it out. DDMPR. Alright, okay na. I told you guys, buy na yan. How many days before did I tell you na buy na yan? So, pwede na siyang umakyat. And if not, then just buy more kasi okay na yung niya. What do you call this? Tawag nito? Makukuha nyo sa kanya. So, it's up 2.56%. Congratulations sa mga bumili kay DDMPR noon. Right? For how many days I've been telling you this is already good. Buy it already. If it drops, then just buy more. Ayan na. Lumipad na. Hindi na kayo makakasakay niyan. Baka maiwan na naman kayo. Pull back and bounce is gonna be the next entry point. Okay. Ilang beses ko na itong sinabi sa inyo si DDMPR. Okay na sana yun. Sir, inside sa breakout ni ASEN, it's already very good, right? Actually, dito pa lang sinabi na natin si DDMPR, si AC ASEN is already good to buy. Nag-breakout na naman siya ngayon. The problem is my previous issue lang talaga kay ASEN is already very high up there yung presyo, right? We've talked about ASEN right here sa support. Sabi ko, nagdadalawang isip pa nga ako sa breakout, but the best entry is gonna be the breakout. Hindi nyo pa pinasok ng breakout na yan, nag-breakout na naman ngayon, saka nyo pa papasukin. It's already very dangerous. Look at RSI, man. Ilan yan? That should tell you that's no longer in buy levels. It's already overbought. So, I could be wrong, but I always follow my trading system, right? If I miss something, because I followed my trading system, di ako maghihinayang, right? As long as, that's a discipline kasi, follow your trading system. RSI, guys, is already telling us na we're at overbought levels. That's not a buy anymore. Okay, so that's for the breakout of ASEN. Jessica Nang is asking about SEB. Time check, it's 8:19. Okay pa naman. SEB, masyadong mataas na rin. Wait for the pullback. Masyadong ang lakas ng breakout ng SEB talaga. The support was very good right here. Yung support sana na yan yung entry natin. Let me just refresh my chart, ha. Kasi medyo sikip Hindi na nag-a-adjust yung charting kasi ng Investograms if linilitan ko yung window. I have to refresh it every now and then. Alright, so asan na yun? SEB. 7 the support. That was the best entry. Right here. 7 the breakout. Actually, nung nag-breakout siya, medyo natatakot na ako. Ang dami niyang resistances na binutas, haven't pulled back just yet. This is bound to pull back anytime soon. So, yan. That should tell you what to do, okay? Seb is already too high up there. Good evening, sir. Good evening po. Doesn't mean na nasa taas na yun, hindi na yun naakyat, ha? Right? It's just that. Again, it's not my trading system is telling me now, no, it's not a buy anymore. Kahit na mataas pa yan at bullish pa yan, it's already way up there. Alright, planning to sell A-REIT to buy DDMPR habang mababa from Ruel. Alright, that's a good decision, man. Okay pa naman yung akyat ni DDMPR kakasimula pa lang. So, yeah, might as well jump in. Sana mataas na kasi A-REIT. Congratulations sa A-REIT mo pala. Myrene Vesperas, copper naman. Let's check out copper. Copa, downtrend si Copa. Ayan. So, head and shoulders, short selling positions. Still on a downtrend. I would say it's not yet time to buy copper. Ryan Milalios. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Si Davin po. Pa-check. Let's check out Da Vinci. Davin. Alright, si Davin. Mina kaagad si Davin. Yun lang, yung rally niya. There it is, MA20 bounce, but this time it's not touching upper Bollinger Bands anymore. It's not closing above Bollinger Bands. So medyo mahina na yung rally niya. Next bounce if ever you want to trade this. I don't like it anymore. It's showing weakness right there. Yung bottoms niya, kahit pataas yung presyo, the RSIs are going down. So, medyo scary. But at the very least, low risk naman siya. Use the MA20 as your support. Pag nag-bounce yan, that's gonna be your buy signal. IDC, Sir Lord, this is from Leonilo Texon. Let's check out IDC. Talked about IDC yesterday. On the breakout, pasukin nyo. Actually, dapat pinasok nyo na to kanina. Ngayon, masyado mataas na siya. Let it pull back and bounce. Right? Hopefully, pinasok nyo kanina. Beautiful breakout right there with volume pa. So, IDC should be pulling back and bouncing. So, that should be okay. Ayan, nag-live ko. Alright. Ani and RCI loads. We're gonna be ending at 8:25. I need time to prepare for the 8:30 live kasi natin. Live ka agad tayo for the yung isang bot, right? What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be back testing the bot live para makita niyo po yung resulta niya. Daming pumalag nung sinabi namin na 400% yung result niya. Actually, kahit ako pumalag noon, I didn't believe my eyes before. So we run back testing, and then I'll show you. That's the reason why I think it's already this one's good. And I'm gonna be sharing it to you guys. Anyways, last 5 na lang tayo. IDC, Ani is a buy. Already dinaanan natin yun mamaya. RCI, next green, we covered RCI already. Naked sa international market. I'm still holding on to my naked. It's still bullish for me, and it was already positive yesterday. So far so good. I would say it's still a buy. Kakasimula pala ng akyat ni naked. But if you sir Lloyd, tapos na ba yung downtrend ng Disney? Disney's downtrend mukhang tapos na, ha? Right? Mukhang tapos na to. Right? This is already showing us higher lows. No higher highs yet though. So pag nag-break out to dito, then that's the reversal, man. Let it break out. Del Monte, please, from Ces Navales. Yes, let's check out Del Monte. Right, we still have time. Del Monte is already way up there. Bearish signals for Del Monte already. So, yeah. Hindi ko na explain bakit bearish signals. Basta RSIs are dropping. Meaning yung momentum niya is not as strong as before. Del Monte. Good evening, Rosa Lamig. Annie Da Vinci, we covered these already. We already covered this. Good evening, Professor. Any insights on USD? Nako, USD. Let's go for USD CAD. Pababa pa rin si USD eh. Ayan. Ay, mukhang magre-reversal na. I think this is the bottom of USD already. Right? I think it's about to break out. I think dollars is gonna be climbing soon. Okay. Technical analysis is looking good the past few weeks. Okay. Looking well. I think tataas na si USD. Anyways, that's all the time that we have for this evening. Pasensya na. Right? But magla-live ulit ako sa 8:30 PM. Right? That's 5 minutes from now in preparation po sa discussion natin mamaya. So check out, di po dito sa StockSed, but there in Financial Freedom 101. And the Billionaires Club, right? So I'm gonna be cutting this short and go to the post the formalities, postpone it for tomorrow lang muna. I'll see you again in a bit, 8:30. Join me in Financial Freedom 101. Bye-bye.